to give you an overview of monthly air monitoring calibration out of the mobile calibration unit. You're going to find this unit located in the hazmat room, somewhere near the air monitoring table in there. You can load it up in the vehicle and take it to whatever station you need to go to. When you open it up, the idea is that the kit has everything you need. First thing you want to do is you're going to plug it in to the nearest power source. We will also have a extension cord included for you. And then the power for the unit is right here next to the plug-in right there. So hit that. It'll turn itself on. It takes about 30 seconds to a minute to warm up. In the meantime, any spare monitors or reserves rather that you have to give to any units that fail are going to live in here. And then we have some paperwork in here. So you're going to fill out one of these calibration sheets as you go throughout the city. Each unit, each Q-ray, whether it passes or fails. Anyone that fails, you're going to give them a reserve and bring the failed unit back to Station 1 for us to take a closer look at. If you hit Station 8, the ask is that you bring Truck 8's Pro, Truck 8's Light, and Battalion 2's Light to Station 1 because they can only be calibrated here. As I'll go through the entire process here with one of our Q-rays, once it's finished, it's passed, you're going to put whatever month we're in, put a sticker on that unit so that we know that it's good for that month. It's an easy at-a-glance thing for us. And then pack yourself up and move on to the next one. So this is finishing warming up. Once it gets to its status, you're going to see where it says no instrument. So you take a Q-ray, plug it in, make sure our card is out of the way. It'll lock into place with a click. And then it's going to start the unit itself, and it's going to go through its about 60-second warm-up process. This gas will always be kept in good working order, full tank or enough to do what you need to do. If there's any issues with that, then you can text Mitch or get a hold of Zook to get that taken care of. The warm-up process for this is just the same as when you turn the Q-ray on to use it in the field. So about 60 seconds, 60 to 100 seconds. Alright, so when the unit is warmed up, it's going to say Q-ray 3 under instrument and ready under status. Both of these lights are going to be green. And you're going to press calibrate, and it'll take roughly 2 to 2.5 minutes for it to run through the calibration process. I'm going to let it do that, and I'll discuss the results. Alright, so all those beeps signify that the unit is finished its calibration, and at this point the screen will either say pass or it'll be highlighted red and say fail. In this case it said pass, so we're going to mark on our sheet whatever engine key rate we're doing that it passed, and we are going to throw a sticker on it right over the previous one to signify that that's the last month it's been calibrated and it's good to go. And then we're done with that one and we can move on. If the unit fails, you're going to bring that unit to station 1, you're going to give whatever engine company it's from reserve that we have for you again. And then once those failed ones make their way back to station 1, we will take a look and fixed up and sent back out. If you have any questions, again, you can text Mitch or Zook up in the office and we can get you sorted out whatever problem you may have. Thanks.